All right, guys, so if you're seeing this video, you are among the first people who are going to be mining this airdrop. It's called Tenaz, and it's a mining platform. This is their website. What this aims to achieve, if you join now, you're going to be among the very first people who are going to be having a lot of their tokens. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to get started with this. Make sure you follow the step I give so you don't miss out on anything. All right, so make sure you have subscribed and you like this video. Let's go into how we're going to check. Okay, get started. This is their official Twitter account. It's still very early. Okay, so I'm sharing this very early. I share early opportunity that we need to get in on. So you can see with the vision to bridging the gap between DeFi and daily spending. So you need to have a lot of their tokens if you want to actually make a lot from this. This can give you $1,000 and above if you get started very early. So stick with me to the end of this video. So you go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download the Tenaz app. Once you download it, you need to open the app and you find out that you need to sign up. Okay, you can sign up using your Google account, or you can just sign up fill in all the details. Just go on there and sign up, fill your name and date of birth, your country, and tick the mark over there and you are started. Okay, you create your account. For me, I'm going to sign up with my Google account and I put a username. Okay, so for this, now you need to make sure you put your referral. This is my referral code. I'm referring you. You'll be part of my team, and whatever I get, you also get a share of it. So make sure you use my referral code. If you're watching this video, I'll place it there so you can see it, and also copy it in the comment section. So once you're done with that, you just continue. Okay, and you can see everybody gets started with just one of the token. So it's very easy. You just swipe for you to get started. That's all you need to do. Just swipe and you get started. You are very early. Okay, so I've just swiped and you can see that I've started earning. For now, just like every other mining platform, you can mine a lot in a day, but if you join in very late, you mine very little. Okay, so you can see my team. The person who referred me is here, and if you want to invite people, you can invite more people to increase your team. For chat will be coming in very soon. So you need to click on that daily security to earn one Tenaz token every day. Okay, so in as much as you are mining, make sure you click on that daily security so you earn more. As you can see, my balance has increased to 2.5. You need to keep mining. I'll leave my referral code in the screen so you can see it. It's very simple, and you need to start mining this very early. I think by the end of today, I should have a lot. In 1 month, I should be having enough of this. So guys, don't miss out opportunities I'll be sharing. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel, you turn the notification bell so that you keep seeing early videos that I drop, and you can join my WhatsApp channel and Telegram community so you don't miss out on opportunities that I drop. Okay, I'll catch you on my other videos. Don't forget, we are in to make more money online, legit money online. Okay, check out my other videos, you will need some. Okay, so this is just very simple for you to do. I've mined 2.6. I will mine more.